In this video, I'm going to show you how to log hours in BambooHR. So if you are an employee or of course an admin as well and you have set up time tracking already, you'll be able to go to your home tab, or employees are going to be able to go there too. And then from here you can find my time and you can click on enter time worked, and then to log hours you can simply type in your hours. For example, if I do 8, I can just add the entry and there we go. I can add a new one and then click on save, and that's basically how to do this. Okay, so that's one way to log hours. The second one is to click on timesheet over here, or to go to my info tab, and then from there go to your timesheet and you'll be able to edit this over there as well. So whenever you come in here, don't worry, this is just some random sample demo data over here. And if you go to the timesheet, you can see on your timesheet, you can scroll down, and next to each and every single date, or a day of course, you can find add time entry when you hover next to it, and you can just type in hours worked and then save, and that's going to be it. Okay, now if your admin has set up clock in and clock out, you may have to go to the home tab and click on the clock in button over here, or clock out button when you want to clock out. Now of course this depends on how the company is set up, but if you are an admin and you actually can't see this and you would like to log hours for employees and you would like to set this up, you want to go to the top right, click on this settings cogwheel button, and it's going to open up the settings of your BambooHR account. And then in here, if you scroll down, you'll find it's going to say time and attendance. Now click either on this and enable it, or go to the account tab, and in here you'll be able to find under available upgrades, it's going to be this one, time and attendance. And from here you'll be able to click on learn more when it's going to say time and attendance down here, and when you click on learn more you'll be able to enable it, and when you do this it's going to enable time tracking and people will be able to log hours. Now for all the settings, you then have to go to time and attendance over here, and in here you can pretty much find anything. You can manage people, you can put them into different groups, you can set their time tracking, etc. Okay, so that's how to log hours. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.